Hey guys, so today we're gonna finish the Battleaxe that I made in the previous video. Part 2. We're just gonna paper mache the foam bit and paint the whole thing, and it should look pretty cool. Well, we've hit our next milestone, 50 subscribers. I've also been working on lights, so the video quality should be getting a lot better now. But yeah, let's get started. All done. Yeah, the paper mache actually took a lot longer than I expected, but I think it turned out really well. It's quite a simplistic design, as I've said before. But with 2 coats of spray paint and this metallic color, it gives it quite a nice effect. It almost looks like it's been forged, which I really like. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.